Hey there, ready to dive into the world of Bitcoin? Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to buy Bitcoin on Binance using USD. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Binance account. If you don't have one, creating an account is super easy and quick. Once you're in, navigate to the Buy Crypto page. You'll see a drop-down menu, select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, and USD as the currency you'll use to pay. Now here comes the convenient part. Choose either Google Pay or Apple Pay as your payment method. Both are fast, secure, and easy. Once you've selected your preferred option, press Confirm. Next, click the Buy button. You'll be directed to the payment confirmation page. This is where you need to verify all your details. Double-check everything to ensure it's correct. Remember, you have a time limit to confirm your order, so don't dawdle. Once you're sure everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the order. And that's it. You've just bought Bitcoin on Binance with USD. Quick, easy, and hassle-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. Happy trading! Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.